Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering. Hope all of you are fine and enjoying a good health and safe from COVID-19 and stay home and stay safe. So in today's video we are going to discuss about how to find a job as an engineer. As many engineers or other degree holders are worried about that how can they find their job. In today's video, we just discuss about engineers that how engineers find their job after completing their degree. Okay, guys. So, as an engineer passed his bachelor degree and or master degree or other degree, and he wants to start his job. There are many difficulties like interview, skill, and some companies ask for experience and many other things. So these all things are going to discuss in today's video, and we will clear your all questions hopefully. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get new updates about engineering. And now let's start the video without wasting our time. Let's go to the website. So first of all, I want to tell you the truth about finding your first job as an engineering. Don't panic if your inbox isn't full of $200 k job offers. Even for senior engineers, job research can be confusing, frustrating affairs. When you are junior engineer looking for your job, it can feel like you are flying blind. You may be armed with general notions about engineering job market. Engineers are in demand, salaries are relatively high, unemployment is low, and more and many other things, many other questions are in your mind. So the first thing, how many jobs should I apply to? Short answer is as many as it takes. Means you have to apply as many as you can apply for. As many you can apply for each and every opportunity which you find. Okay, and I will discuss and I will share with you the main points. We don't need to read all this data. The types of companies you are interested in. These are three main points. The types of companies you are interested in. Second is the area of roles you are open to. Any visa, sponsorships, or other special considerations you might need. These are the main three things are you need to keep in your mind. The second question is what kind of companies do I have the best odds with? And the thing for note is do not confuse this question with what kind of company do I most want to work at. Based on our hiring data, early stage companies are more open to hiring engineers to 0 years of experience. The actual breakdown and companies similar to size posting engineering jobs and is open to candidates with 0 years of experience. And the third question is do I apply to role I am not qualified for? There are difference between not matching all the criteria in the job listening or not being qualified for the job. Means if you are qualified for that job you can apply, and if you have some of the eligibilities and not the all eligibilities for that job, then you can also apply for that as for a risk, and mean you can get a advantage or you can get an experience. The number four is which role are the most open to junior level candidates. Maybe you are not picky about role specialization or which part of the stack you spend for your time working on. In that case, the natural question becomes what kind of role is most open to hiring experienced engineers. There are two big takeaways here. First, full stack role are second most common role junior, friendly role, commonly role after general. Means all these things you can read on it. I will provide the link in video description if you want to read all this data. If I read this all data, the video will be so longer. So I will just discuss the main points. The number five is am I failure if I don't make 2 lakh or means okay 2 lakh dollars. Many junior engineers, after spending too much time reading threads or blind, get the sense that everyone makes $2 lakh at their first job. Here is the update thought, because your first salary can't pay more than $50,000. It's my personal experience, guys. So there are many other questions, but I want to told you the six main points that will be helpful for you to find your job. The number first is start early. Means as you graduated, as you completed your degree, you start applying for a job. Even if you can apply for your job before completing your degree. The number second is get some experience. And the number three is aim high but keep your horizons broad. Number four is make the most of your university. At number five, tailor your applications. Number six, don't give up. This is the best and high level advice, guys, for you, that don't give up. Try again and again is the best for finding job. Okay guys, we will meet soon in next video. Today session is over. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.